Hello everyone, today I have another advent calendar unboxing for you, and it is the Voluspa 12-day advent calendar. This is exclusive to Sephora, and I recently picked this up during the Sephora sale, which I think by the time I air this video will be over. So I got this for 20% off using my discounts, and unfortunately I think it is unavailable now. I don't know if it will be restocked, but if it does restock, I'll post it on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. It's at a heated mess. I'll always post restocks of everything on there. But this is it. So let me go ahead and slip this out of here. And if you haven't seen my Sephora haul, I just want to real quick show you this. This is the candle sampler that they had. If you like candles, this was such a great buy. This was $50. And what you'd get are these 5 mini candles, and then you can redeem, there's a certificate inside, you redeem for a full size. This actually has already a Voluspa candle in here. So I've already redeemed one. I actually got 2 of these, and so I'll be redeeming another one. So let me know which one you guys like. I haven't tried this Otherland brand yet. I've tried Voluspa. I redeemed my first sampler kit for this Maison Louis Marie candle, and then I think I might get the Lazy Sunday Morning. I love Nest also. So yeah, this also is sold out, but if it gets restocked, I'll post it on my Instagram, but that's a candle sampler. Anyway, okay, so this is the Voluspa mini advent calendar, and it's a 12-day advent calendar. There is a larger, like a full-size Voluspa advent calendar set available too, so I'll link that below. And then they have a few sets, so yeah, check those out if you're interested. The back is plain, and let's just go ahead and unbox this. Day 1. I love the packaging of Voluspa candles. Okay, so this is cool. So when you open it, it says right here what the candle is. This is Voluspa Santal Vanille, fragrance from Japonica collection. Santal, French bourbon, vanilla, and oud. I smell all of those things. So this is it. Here's the design. Very pretty embossing. You know, I love candles and I love repurposing the jars for things like, you know, decorative glasses and, you know, storage containers in the bathroom. I keep my Q-tips in really pretty candle jars. This is really pretty to repurpose. They can make really nice shot glasses too. By the way, if you're wondering, all these things spinning in the background here, these are my diptyque carousel and lanterns. They're still available. They're released during the holidays and they sell out pretty quick, so I'll link them below. This reminds me of Tom Ford Santal blush, and I do smell the oud. This is a nice, like a relaxing scent. I'd put this in a bedroom or like a guest bedroom. Day 2. I don't want to rip these doors. Ooh. Oh, I love this. Okay, now I've seen this scent and I'm so excited. Oh, it smells so good to try it. Okay, this is the Panjor lychee. I love lychee. I can eat an entire bushel of lychee. So the notes, oh, they tell you what the notes are here too. It's great. This is so pretty. So this is a clear pink tinted jar glass, versus the Santal Vanille is a opaque glass. This is very pretty. Close. So right here it tells you the notes are lychee, cassis, juicy Asian pear. I really smell the lychee. I smell the pear. This is so nice. I'm gonna keep this in my office. A lot of the fruity kind of florally scents I like to keep mostly in my office or in the guest bedroom, and then I like to keep clean scents in, you know, the bathrooms. I keep candles everywhere. I wish the candle sampler said I could redeem for this fragrance. Day 3. Oops, I ripped it. I was trying not to rip this. Ooh. Okay, and day 3 is Goji Tarako Orange. Wow, look at that. It's like a blood orange glass. These look like they're all the same design so far, just different tinted glass. Okay, so the notes here are goji berry, ripe mango, and Tarako orange. I don't even know what that is. What is a Tarako orange? I love mango. Yes, very fruity. It smells more like mango than orange. I feel like they should call it mango. Day 4 is spiced pumpkin latte. This smells very spicy. I'm not getting as much pumpkin. It smells mostly like cinnamon and like a spicy fruitcake. Yeah, I would keep this, definitely keep this in the kitchen. These kinds of like gourmandy, vanilla, baking type scents I like to keep in the kitchen. Very pretty orange also. I just realized the glasses of the candles also correspond to the doors of the advent calendar. Day 5 is right here. Ooh, Baltic Amber. This has amber resin, sandalwood, and vanilla orchid. Okay, I am definitely smelling amber. This kind of reminds me of Dior's Amber Nui, and then the vanilla. I can definitely smell vanilla. I don't know why they call it Baltic, because when you see the name Baltic, you think, I mean, at least I think, you know, like the Baltic Seas. So I would think it's more of an oceanic scent, but I don't really pick that up at all. This is very sweet, Baltic Amber. Day 6 is right here. Okay. Gilt Pomander and Hinoki. Ooh, this is pretty. Metallic jar. These are so pretty. I think Voluspa candles are definitely the prettiest candle jars. So day 6, the Gilt Pomander and Hinoki is gilded holly berries, cardamom, and Japanese hinoki. This smells so good. This smells very green. So hinoki, I just looked it up. Japanese hinoki is a cypress. It's a tree, so kind of like a fig tree. So just very green woods. This smells like a cypress, like you're walking through a forest, kind of. It also kind of is a little Christmassy with the berries. Day 7 is here. And, oh, okay. So this is French Cade Lavender. This scent is one of the options in the Sephora candle sampler that I just showed you. So the notes here are French Cade Wood, Verbena, and Bulgarian Lavender. This is very much like French laundry, like you're washing your sheets and hanging them outside to dry. Normally lavender I think of as, you know, a sleepy time scent, like a bedtime fragrance, but this is more of a laundry lavender. I'm considering turning in my certificate and getting this full size. And day 8 is here. White Cypress. Very green. This is a little more opaque than the French Cade Lavender jar. Okay, I don't know about you guys. So when I get Christmas trees, I grew up with, you know, artificial trees. We always had the one artificial tree growing up, and my husband always got fresh Christmas trees. They would always go to the, you know, Christmas tree farm and get a fresh one. And it smells so good. This is what it smells like. It's like you're walking through a Christmas tree farm and chopping down a fresh Christmas tree, spruce, cypress tree, Douglas fir for Christmas. This smells so good and so fresh. The notes here are white cypress, freshly snapped and trimmed. Yeah, literally. So it's just the one, just the one fragrance note is a white cypress tree. This smells like a fresh tree. Okay, day 9. I wish this were a 24-day advent calendar. So day 9 is Vanilla Fireside. This smells like you're roasting vanilla marshmallows in a crackling fireplace. This smells good. Let's see the notes here. Toasted vanilla, burning cedar, marshmallow sap. Oh my gosh, I just guessed that. I wrote the script. Marshmallow sap, toasted vanilla. Yeah, it smells like, I mean, we have a fire pit and outside, so we make s'mores on the weekends, and this is what it smells like. But if you are just smoking something with vanilla in it, like if you have a marshmallow that's vanilla flavored, that's what this would smell like. Day 10 is here. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love that kind of an iridescent finish to the glass. This is Tahitian Coconut Vanilla. It smells like a tropical island. This reminds me of the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. Like almost pistachio. I mean, I don't know what the notes are, but it's Tahitian Coconut Vanilla, so I definitely smell the coconut. Tahitian Vanilla Bean, coconut milk, and white peach nectar. Oh, okay, maybe that's the peach nectar. Oh, okay, I guess I can pick that up now. I thought it was pistachio. I thought it was sweeter. This smells like a caramel coconut. Okay, that is day 10. Okay, we're almost nearing the end here. I think this is my first 12-day advent calendar. I think all of them have been 24 days. Okay, day 11 is Vanilla Latte. They love vanilla. This really does smell like a latte. This smells like fresh espresso grinds, you know, after you make an espresso. I'm not getting as much vanilla, maybe because the coffee is overpowering it to me. Okay, and the notes are creamy vanilla, roasted coffee, cinnamon, and tonka. Yeah, I don't really, okay, I'll get a little bit of the cinnamon. I really mostly smell fresh coffee beans. I love coffee candles. Okay, and the 12th and final day is right here. Let's see. And, ooh, something dark. This is Forbidden Fig. Very fruity. So the notes are ripened fig, velvety musk, midnight rose, and fig leaf. I smell rose. This kind of reminds me of, is it Nest or Joe Malone makes a rose oud that kind of smells like this, but, you know, a little fruitier and a little more tart because of the fig in here. So that is Forbidden Fig for day 12. All right, so that is the Voluspa 12-day mini candle advent calendar, exclusive to Sephora, and I will definitely let you know if it's back in stock. I think it's a great value. I think this retailed for $75, and I was able to pick it up during the Sephora sale at 20% off. But I think even at the full price, it's actually not that bad of a value because I definitely would enjoy all the scents. These are all the different varieties that were included. And, you know, these are really small but really mighty fragrances. There is a reason that these kind of expensive candles are expensive because they use essential oils and fragrances that last longer than, you know, your $5 candles from Walmart. Not that I'm discriminating, I still love my $5 Walmart candles, but these smell a lot better and they last longer. So let me know, what is your favorite candle from Voluspa? If you are not familiar with Voluspa, I love their candles. They also make some great reed diffusers that I love and they last a long time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video and I hope to catch you in my next one. Bye.